Hello and welcome back. This is Rafi once again. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 30,000 leads in a day. So basically, I'm going to show you how am I scraping the database, because many of you guys have asked how am I being able to scrape Google Maps and getting these numbers in one single day. So let me show you live here. So if I want to show you one of the files that I have just recently scraped. So if I open this up, and if I simply cross this out, you can see here on this database alone, I have scraped the digital marketing agencies from all of the cities from the United Kingdom. And if I take you to the bottom of this document, you can see there are around 20,000, like 19,995 records. And all of these records are containing the keywords, then the business name, full address of the business, then separately the business address, then we have got the phone numbers. If there is two phone numbers, then we have got the two of them, and then we have got the email address for many of the businesses. As you can see, if I simply show you here, not for all, but for many of the businesses, we have got the email addresses as well. And along with emails, we have got some other data like the website with HTTPS and the / and then only the domain name, then the business category here. And the interesting thing is it has collected the reviews as well. And not only that, it has collected, when possible or available, it collected the Facebook URL for the businesses, for many of them, LinkedIn URL, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube URL, with some other data fields. So now here I have just shown you, like, this spreadsheet alone is containing 20,000 leads. And if I simply minimize this one, I'm gonna drag this browser from the other monitor to here. And if I simply click here, you can see as of now this tool is working for me, and currently it is working on 979 keywords, currently on 397th keyword, and it has generated 16,268 leads. So it is still working. And let me show you one update, so that here we go, a little update on the number. Okay, so it's working here, and while it is working here on this let's say this browser, I am going to put more keywords, and let me show you some tricks how you can, let's say, generate the keywords for your use case. So if I open up this browser, you can see I have been using ChatGPT to, let's say, get the keyword ideas. For instance, I'm now going after restaurants leads. So basically I've been scraping business, let's say, digital marketing agencies leads earlier. So if I simply talk about this one, it is scraping the digital marketing agencies from all around the United States. So I'm hoping it will be at least 30,000 leads to be scraped. Okay, so while it is working, I'm gonna take this here into another tab. While it is working there, I can use, let's say, let me take you here. I can generate keywords by using ChatGPT for another, let's say, business demographics, industry, or whatever the niche you are going after. So I've generated, let's say, in this document, I have got around 494 keywords for restaurants in the United Kingdom. So now I'm going to build this database. So to speed up the process, simply generate a list of keywords. It should be a long one. You can maybe upload thousands of keywords. Here on this work, I have uploaded 979, around 1,000 keywords, and it is working. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply copy all of the keywords from here. So let me copy them all, and I'm gonna take you to another browser where I have got the tool installed. Not here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it to this browser, and now I'm going to simply click here, and then here we go. I have just extracted another database from here, where I have extracted 10,000 leads from Canada, Alberta, as you can see here. So this was for digital marketing agencies. So while it is working on the other list, it worked here as well. So this is how I actually combined them and then generated 30,000 leads in a day. So let me show you how we can get started. So I'm going to click on clear all, and I've already downloaded that database, so it's fine. So if I simply put all the keywords here, and if I scroll it up, let's remove the extra spaces or the blank spaces. So I'm gonna delete them all. And then if I click here, you can see there we have got 494 keywords. And now if I click on start, it's gonna start working here on this this browser as well. So this is a different browser, and the previous one I have shown here, it is a different browser. All right, so this one already has generated, let me reload, 16,281, and this one has just started extracting the data. So basically now I'm going to keep them both in, let's say, one view. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply click here on window. I'm going to click on tile window to left of screen. Let me click again. Oops, it's not working. No problem at all. Let me get rid of some of those things. Yep, so now it should work. I'm gonna click on left to right of the screen. Here we go. And now you can basically see how it is working. So this one is collecting restaurant leads, and this one is collecting digital marketing agencies leads from the United States, and this one is working for all the cities basically in the United Kingdom. For instance, if you just take a look here, it's gonna work on restaurants in London first, then it's gonna go for restaurants in Birmingham, then Glasgow, Liverpool, Leeds. So I am going to left the computer running, and both of the programs or both of the browsers are going to scrape data for me while I'm gonna work on my other monitor. So this is basically how I have extracted the number of 30,000 leads in one single day. You can do that as well. And I have got step-by-step tutorial right here. If I take you to my YouTube channel, so I'm going to attach the links of the tool into the video description if possible with the promo code. And then I'm going to attach this video, which is really important for you to watch, because this one is showing you how to install the application to your Chrome browser, because you have to install it manually. So you have got this covered here in this video, and I've got an overview here on this video as well, but this one is important to watch, so I'd highly suggest you to watch. And this is it, guys. And another information that I'd love to let you know, I sell databases in a bulk. So if you're interested, you can basically purchase the leads that I am scraping, and you'll find the links into the video description. If not, if you have got any other queries, please feel free to send me an email. You'll find my email address as well into the video description. So thank you so much for watching this video. I believe it was informative for you. And if you have got any question at all, please feel free to let me know by commenting below, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.